Photographers and videographers wishing to upgrade from their smartphones to a dedicated camera may be overwhelmed by the sheer number of reasonably priced options available. It's challenging to decide which path to choose because they range from little point-and shoots to advanced mirrorless cameras and classic DSLRs. We think the best camera for beginners should be easy to use, have interchangeable lenses, and be affordable for anyone still learning about photography. In this video, we've compiled a list of the 10 best cameras for beginners in 2022. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Number 1. Nikon D3500. If you're searching for the best easy-to-use camera for beginners, the Nikon D3500 is the best camera we've tested. The mode dial on this basic APS-C DSLR has a unique guide shooting mode built in. This function provides users with a hands-on introduction to the camera's features as well as the fundamentals of photography, making it an ideal starting camera. Furthermore, it is still compatible with Nikon's wide range of DX lenses. It has a long battery life, with a stated capacity of 1,550 photos. However, the battery performance varies greatly depending on real-world situations. It also has a high overall image quality, with a wide dynamic range that brings forth more detail, and a good noise control capacity. Although it lacks in-body image stabilization, the kit lens performs admirably in this regard. Despite this, it's still one of the best cameras for beginners to start with, and most will be satisfied with it. Number 2. Nikon Z50. If you're searching for a mirrorless camera, then you might consider the Nikon Z50. It's a well-made APS-C camera with a surprisingly user-friendly menu layout, which includes a guide mode that explains key camera functions and settings to beginners. It boasts a huge, fully articulated touchscreen that can tilt out from the body to assist with shooting from various angles, as well as flips down to face you for selfies or vlogs. The camera's 20.9 megapixel x6 sensor produces excellent image quality. The photos have a good dynamic range, which allows them to bring out more information in scenes with a lot of contrast. It also features a fantastic autofocus mechanism that includes face and eye tracking and is very reliable while recording video. When photographing moving subjects, it is less constant, but it is still adequate. It is also easy to use. Number 3. Fujifilm XT200. The Fujifilm XT200 is a mirrorless camera featuring an APS-C sensor and a compact body. It has an excellent landscape camera. This little camera boasts an excellent image quality and a brilliant screen that can be viewed even in direct sunlight. The kit lens, on the other hand, has some significant light fall-off, so your photo's edges may be darker than the center. With this camera, your images will be clear and detailed because of the high image quality. However, it boasts a completely articulated screen that is excellent for vlogging if you like to record videos. Number 4. Canon EOS M50 Mark II. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is the ideal camera for beginners on a budget. With a basic button arrangement, fully articulated touchscreen, and intuitive menu system, this entry-level mirrorless camera is portable and enjoyable to use. With a 24 megapixel APS-C sensor, the camera produces excellent image quality right out of the box. The camera's noise handling capability is adequate, and the photos have a great dynamic range. It boasts an excellent autofocus technology with eye recognition and 143 claimed focus points for better focusing precision. It does a decent job at tracking moving objects. While the camera lacks in-body image stabilization, it does include digital stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake when shooting handheld. This is a terrific value option if you're searching for a cheap entry-level camera for photography and FHD video. Number 5. Nikon D5600. The Nikon D5600 is an APS-C DSLR camera with built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing you to use the Nikon SnapBridge app to download photographs to your phone or use your phone as a camera remote. Even at high ISO settings, it produces clear, detailed photographs and is easy to use. Its photo focusing technology does an excellent job of tracking moving subjects. Unfortunately, it does not support 4K video, and FHD video is not detailed. The Nikon D5600 is an excellent landscape camera. It's easy to operate, and the high image quality results in crisp and detailed photos. In intense sunlight, you might find it difficult to read the screen. Number 6. Canon EOS Rebel T8i. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i is the best beginner DSLR camera for people hoping to start photography with a DSLR. It features a fully articulated touchscreen and a 24.1 megapixel sensor, and it's the latest model in Canon's entry-level Rebel family. Canon's menu system is straightforward and easy to use, and the camera is compatible with any of Canon's EFS or EF lenses, giving you lots of options as you go. It has a high dynamic range, which allows it to bring out more detail in high contrast settings. It also has adequate raw noise management, allowing you to shoot at high ISOs without introducing excessive visual noise. Its focusing technology allows for eye tracking and does an excellent job tracking moving subjects for shooting. While it lacks in-body image stabilization like more advanced models, the kit lens performs an excellent job of keeping the image stable when shooting without a tripod. Overall, this is one of the best entry-level DSLRs in the market and should satisfy the majority of beginners. Number 7. Canon EOS M200. The Canon EOS M200 is a mirrorless APS-C camera with a flip-out screen. It features a portable and lightweight design. However, it doesn't have a hand grip, causing some users discomfort. It produces excellent image quality, and its excellent camera autofocus mechanism can track and focus moving objects. Above all, the Canon M200 is an excellent travel camera. It offers superior image quality, so your photos will be crisp and detailed, and it has a low minimum shutter speed for time-lapse photography. Its autofocus technology also performs an excellent job of tracking and keeping moving items in focus. Although it is pretty portable, it lacks a hand grip, which may be troublesome for some users. Number 8. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is the best digital camera for beginners among the compact point-and-shoots we've tested. This mini vlogging camera can also be used as a capable stills camera for individuals looking for a small, portable camera. It feels comfortable to shoot with for selfies and vlogs. Like many point-and-shoot cameras, it employs a 1-inch sensor, which means it can't handle noise well and performs poorly in low light. It does, however, provide good overall image quality and a wide dynamic range. It has many video features, like 4K at up to 30 frames per second, 1080p at up to 60 frames per second with built-in live streaming. However, it has a short battery life and overheats easily while capturing high-resolution video for extended periods. However, battery life can vary significantly depending on your shooting habits and settings. Despite its shortcomings, this is one of the best for beginners. Number 9. Sony ZV1. The Sony ZV1 is a vlogging-specific small camera. It includes a fully articulated screen that can pivot to face you and does a fantastic job of smoothing out camera shake in FHD and 4K. It remains a good option for still photography, with excellent image quality and a rapid continuous shooting speed. It features a complicated menu structure and a visible rolling shutter issue in FHD and 4K video. The camera's ergonomics are well suited for controlling it when held at arm's length in a selfie pose. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to carry around handed for long periods. As you film, the screen can fully articulate to face you, and the camera smooths out camera shape to an incredible degree. The autofocus technology can track faces and includes dedicated settings for product and animal vloggers and a rapid depth of field changeover option. On the flip side, the camera produces mediocre FHD video, with a lot of noise in dark conditions and a significant rolling shutter effect that distorts things when panning quickly. Number 10. Canon PowerShot G5X Mark II. The Canon PowerShot G5X Mark II is a zoom camera with a small body. It's easy to carry, lightweight, and provides excellent image quality right out of the box. It has a helpful pop-up viewfinder and an ND filter integrated into the lens, which offers you a little more flexibility in choosing your shutter speed or aperture while shooting in bright light. However, its autofocus performance in photography and video isn't very spectacular, and video quality in FHD and 4K is average. Its battery life is limited depending on your usage patterns and settings, so you might want to bring a backup battery with you. Its focusing technology has trouble tracking faces as well. We hope you found this video helpful. Do let us know what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.